make homemade glow-in-the-dark bubblegum. And then find out if this glow-in-the-dark water-shooting toothbrush will clean my stained teeth. Bubblegum is actually pretty easy to make. You start off with gum base. They look like tiny beans. This gum is super bland, so let's sweeten it up. First, we gotta pour the beans into a bowl. Oh, why is it dusty? Microwave for 30 seconds and then stir till it's nice and goopy. Now it's time to add some flavors. Just a splash of Tutti Frutti. Smells like toots and fruit. Tutti Frutti. Some corn syrup for sweetness. Just like me, super sweet. Not too much, but just enough for some sweetness. Now it's time to add the magic ingredient. This stuff looks mega fluorescent, and I wonder if it's gonna make my mouth glow. Let's add just a pinch. Oh no, not the whole jar. My mouth is gonna look like a radioactive sewer. I'm gonna turn into a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle with this gum. I wonder how it's gonna taste. Mix all the ingredients together. Once it's at the perfect consistency, it's time to slice. But first, we gotta add some powdered sugar. If not, all that gum is gonna stick to this cutting board. I got mine from the dollar store. Who doesn't love to play with their food? Make sure the gum is cool to touch because you're gonna fold into the exact shape you want. Oh, look at that. Looks like radioactive slime. Now it's time to get messy and have some fun. Sprinkle the sugar all over and fold it into the exact shape you want. Ooh. It's super fun. You're basically playing with warm Play-Doh. Ooh, that was a good stretch. Hut, 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 hut. Oh, that was a good pull. Once the powdered sugar is fully incorporated, you got this Play-Doh looking ball, but it's actually delicious flavored gum. Now it's time to shape it into some slices. I'm gonna go with that classic iconic Hubba Bubba cube shape. Now that we got our brick of intergalactic glow-in-the-dark gum, it's time to slice it up. And just like that, you got yourself some radioactive bubble gum. Oh, look at the gum, it's glowing. Not only does this gum look cool, but it also tastes delicious. Now that all the gum's in my mouth, let's blow some bubbles. This gum tastes incredibly delicious and my mouth is watering like crazy. Haha, let's go. This glow-in-the-dark gum has me feeling like a radioactive turtle. Instead of blowing out some bubbles, you can suck in and get some super loud noises. Whoa! Now let's see how large of a bubble I can blow. What the heck? That's a huge bubble. This bubble gum is glowing like crazy, so let's make sure it's safe. I got myself a Geiger counter which measures the alpha and beta particles to see how radioactive the gum is. Let's turn it on. It's picking up radioactivity. What? That is crazy. Ugh. No wonder my tongue was starting to tingle. It's time to brush all that radioactivity off. But first, it's disclosing time. Let's check the before results. Ugh, my mouth looks radioactive. Waterpik Sonic Fusion. We got the loading dock, water tank, a lid, and a toothbrush, which has a little nozzle in the middle to shoot out water. Ah! Let's add it with something other than water to glow in the dark. Oh, look how radioactive. Ah! That hurts so bad. And just like that, you got yourself some glow in the dark mouthwash. Locked and loaded. Glow-in-the-dark toothpaste from Australia. Fat Glob. Oh, this stuff looks clumpy. Oh, oh my goodness. Oh, it's dripping from the ceiling. This is Dental Digest. Let's keep brushing. This toothpaste is tiny but mighty. And this toothbrush is getting me super wet. Let's check the after results. I got the radioactivity all over my face. We'll see you Fat Globbers in the next one. And as always, smile on. Ciao.